What if I told you technology doesn't always get it right? In the next few seconds, you'll laugh at the top 5 most awkward tech fails. First up, the infamous Windows 98 demo crash. Ever seen Microsoft show off a new product just for it to crash with the blue screen of death? Next, remember the Apple Maps fiasco? It turned simple routes into wild adventures. Then, Google's self-driving car that couldn't handle a 4-way stop. It just sat there, waiting forever. Also, let's not forget Samsung's exploding Galaxy Note 7. Talk about a hot topic. Lastly, the Twitter fail whale. It appeared so much it became a meme. Like what you see. Subscribe to Code with Mosan for more tech fun. Tech is amazing, but these fails keep it real.